Hello and welcome today guys. For this talk today we explain a lot of things that matters and how can we deal with this stock, and let's see what is going to be the start of the new things that would be available for traders, and a lot of things that is going to be very important to understand why we have this kind of stock in our package. So if you're new to this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. This will help us to provide you more actual things that would be very important to understand. That is absolutely a thing that we wanted to share for you. So since we can this first, we have to understand that is the resistance, and this is support, the resistance, support, and all these things is possible. So when we go for this and decrease and increase, that is still happening right now guys on SPCE stock, right, like this. Okay, and then we can have this in order to know that is trend line, and that is another trend line. There is no other problems that can be included for making such a thing. That is okay, that is just an intersection between this trend line and the second trend line. Here is going to be the same thing that I think as the thing that matters. So whenever that is happening on SPCE stock like this, so I think it's going to be after this an increase and decrease and increase and decrease. So it's going to be here about this two trend lines like this, and this is going to be trend line like this. So I think that it's going to complete its process here on M-Wave, and maybe it can go. Okay, I think this M-Wave in the middle process here, it will stop here. Okay, that is what you should learn about the basics. Use the example. You have to see this. Okay, when we go for this part, for example, you have to see that it's going to be the whole process that is happening from this part to this side, and we have to explain that this is going to be the thing that is going to be between this level and this level on the side of this trend line. So that is exactly the thing that what I am meaning for, because that is absolutely insane for what we are going to have such a great income from what we have to say in this chart. So since we can have this 57.55 and 15.62, so the difference will be actually equal to the level between this level and this level, and we will divide this by 2. So it's going to be actually the part where we have to see it as an intersection. So I think the Virgin Galactic Holdings stock would be one of the things that is going to be matters for SPCE, and then it would give an increase right now here in the momentum. If it's possible, maybe it can go for the decrease. So I give 50% increase, 50% decrease. The same manner that happens between each trend lines here right now. So think about it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe also. That will help us to provide you more videos about also another stocks, so you can see it on the channels that I could provide it on. And see you next episode about SPCE.